Hey everyone, Carter from Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Today I have this 2012 Ram 1500 Laramie Crew 4x4s with only 74,000 actual miles. That's right, 74,000 miles. It's bright white with the pebble interior, heated cooled front seats, heated back seats, heated steering wheel, factory navigation, factory alpine audio, bucket seats, you name it. It's got some XD wheels with Toyo open countries on it. While it's been inspected, we're going to give you a 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty. That's good nationwide. We are selling it for a local private party. It does have some very light hail. You can't even see it in these photos or videos. See it at Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Remember,